How to fix Instagram Rosalia font not showing. Firstly, check for any updates that may be available for Instagram. Open App Store or Play Store in your device and search for Instagram. Once you search for it, then look for any kind of updates that may be available. If there are updates available, then click on the update option to update your app. If no updates are available, then simply open the app on your device. After opening Instagram, at the bottom, click on the plus icon. Now click or choose any random photos or videos. At the very top, you should see the font icon. Click on that. Now type anything that you like. Here you can select different kind of fonts. If Rosalia is available, it will be right here. But if you cannot seem to find Rosalia font here, then it might not be available on your app. To fix this issue, you will need to report a problem. So go back to your Instagram and click on your profile section. At the top right corner, select the 3-line icon. Now scroll down to the bottom in your settings and activity. Click on the help option and select report a problem. Click on report problem without shaking. Now select the option include and continue. Here you can simply describe the issue that you are having. After that, click on send option. Now all you need to do is wait for their response. Once you get the response, follow the prompt to get Rosalia font. That's all for today. Thank you.